The app password on iOS 18 is dedicated to manage, store, and secure your password. So go ahead and swipe down or search in your app library the passwords app. Okay, so basically once accessing and setting up your password app and authenticate using facial recognition or passcode, the app organizes your password into categories like all, Wi-Fi, and code, making it easy to locate specific entries, right? To manually save a password, click the plus icon at the bottom, right? And then into the details like the website and the username, and either use a suggested strong password or create your own. Once done, hit save at the top. Right. Okay, you can edit and delete. You can also edit a saved password by selecting the all, for example, and then select the platform. Let's say, for example, Adobe. Click edit at the top right, and you're gonna be able to edit your password or just delete it if you're no longer use it to just empty space. Okay. And next, password autofill. Enable autofill in your iPhone settings automatically. If you want to know how it's done, go back to your screen, go ahead to your settings, go to the general, try to pin down password. So I'm going to try to pin down password. Okay. And just go ahead, iCloud password or password apps. Okay. So I'm going to try to pin down password. Go ahead and click on it. Make sure that you allow the autofill right here by clicking view autofill settings, and make sure that you turn on the autofill from passwords. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.